How to sell ebooks on Etsy. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to sell your own ebooks on this Etsy platform. But what is Etsy? Etsy is a e-commerce platform that specializes in handmade, vintage, and unique items. It also allows individuals and small businesses to set up online shops and sell their own handmade vintage goods directly to customers worldwide. So first to begin with, what you'll need to do is to go to the website, that's etsy.com, and then from here you will be able to browse the website itself and you'll be able to see the products and the goods that they cater or they sell. So with selling ebooks on Etsy, it's actually a great way to share your knowledge and make some extra income. All you have to do is just to follow the steps we will go through later on, and you can get your ebook listed and start selling to a wider audience. So for us to begin with, you need to go and sell your product. Once you are on the website, you just need to go to your profile. Here you can actually browse different products that Etsy offers, from accessories to wedding party, art collections, and vintage products. So to begin, you can click into your account, and there you'll be able to see your profile, your purchases and reviews, messages, and your offers as well. This is where you will be able to process your account settings and also sign out. So once you're done here, what you'll need to do is click on the store icon there, that's the shop manager, where you will need to log in into your Etsy account before we move forward. Once you have logged in into your Etsy account, you will be routed into this page. This is actually how you will be creating your own shop and create a listing. So to begin with, what they will ask is your preference. Let's say what your language you prefer, what country your shop is located, and what currency are we talking here. Once you're done, you need to rename or name your shop here on Etsy. So I just put a sample name here. Then make sure it's 4 to 20 characters and no special characters like spaces, periods, etc. So once done, you can just click on save and continue, and then you will be routed into this page where this is where you'll be adding your own listing. As you can see, I do have sample listings already. So you just need to click on add a listing and you'll be routed into this page. So first thing you'll need to do is to add a photo. This is one of the things that is required. You are required to at least add one photo to proceed and create your own listing. So you can add the cover of the ebook that you have, or a photo that is relating to your ebook, anything that may help you sell your own products. So here, just make sure that I have the right image. Just delete this image and then I'll replace it to a new one. Since this is just for an example, I currently don't have the cover for the ebook, but I'll just choose this cover that I created. This is a digital art. So once done, you just need to go to video. That's optional, but if you do have a video about your product, you can definitely add it as well. This would definitely help your viewers to see on what your product really is. And here is your listing details. This part is really important. You need to fill out the informations to make sure that your product is good to go. So you need to input a title on what the product is about. They will be asking about the listing, whether you made it or was it made from your employee or it was from another company or a third party. You will be asked as well on what product is this. Is this something that you will make things or this is a finished product? And they will ask on when was the product made. Once done, you will be inputting what category the product belongs. So since it's an ebook, I'll be putting in ebook. And then they will be asking for primary color or secondary color, but since this is just an electronic product, you can just go ahead and proceed to the next one, that since that's just optional. Here for renewal options, you can have either automatic where Etsy will be drafting 20 cents into your account every month or you can just have it manually and then what type the product is. It's either physical or digital, and since this product is ebook, it would be under digital, and you just need to go to the next step where you add your description for the product. So the description is important so that your product or your audience will be able to know what product they will be getting once they purchased it. Here, so once done, you can add a tags as well. So for example, if that's an ebook, you can input ebook. If it's about report, you can create a add report. So these are important so that if ever your or once your customers will be searching on Etsy on the product that they wish to purchase, they can s- type in the search icon and your product will be one of the results. Here you can input materials, but those are optional. On the next step here, this will be inventory and pricing. So you will be asked for how much the product would be and how many products you have for the quantity or the stock of the product. Here, so for the next step here, digital files, this is where you will be uploading the PDF file or the ebook. So this is just a sample ebook here or sample PDF file. And make sure that you will fill out all the information since you will encounter an error if you'll be clicking on save and continue if not all informations are being provided. Okay, so here I'll just input the shipping informations on the account, like what's the standard shipping, what address, and the delivery time. Here, once completed, you just need to click on save as a shipping profile and then you need to name the profile. Then just click on create a profile. And then once done, you can go ahead and click on save and continue. You can review the informations to double check if it's the correct one. Okay. Once fully checked, you can go ahead and proceed on the next step. And there you have it. You will see that you have added a listing into your shop. And then you'll be routed into the page on how you will be paid for this. So these are the information about yourself, like your personal information, address, tax ID number, from which company or from which country you are from, and your date of birth. Here, if you're from the Philippines, tax ID number is needed for us to create a Etsy account, but I currently don't have that on hand yet. It's a so we'll just fill out these informations here and just proceed. So here, getting paid on Etsy, you'll be choosing what country you're from, and then you'll be inputting your bank details. So if ever there are any purchase of your product, they will be putting it directly into your account. So you can add a bank name, the account number. Once done, you can go ahead and click on save and continue, and you'll be routed to a page where you'll need to set up the billing. These are the informations on what payment method you accept for the shop. And also, this is on the next step, you will be able to set up your shop security as well, where this is to make sure that you will be able to verify your buyers before they will be able to purchase one. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.